few days ago we found that our squirrels that we like to feed, here, come here. Always feeding squirrels over here. And they love the sunflowers, but sometimes they knock them over. So what I was thinking, because sunflower is my wife's favorite flower, is we cast one of these in resin. I've only been successful casting flowers with dandelions. I haven't tried sunflower yet. So let's do this one. Let's trim these off. One time I tried a carnation and it exploded. In fact, I got it right here. Hold on. This is a carnation in resin. It was white and turned yellow, and then started to steam and popped the resin up. So we're hoping not for this, but we'll see. Everybody always says you're supposed to dry the flowers. When you dry them, we don't want ants. When you dry them, they end up, they're not pretty. We want to keep the color, keep it pretty. So if we did this one, yeah. And then it also likes to float. So what you gotta do is not fill it up all the way. Just like this. And for this one, we're not going to dye it. Oh no. Here we go. Perfect. And we left a little gap here, kind of on purpose. Hopefully it'll cure. We always like it when they cure. But, look at that bubble. Whoop. So hopefully it'll cure, and then it'll be all stuck in there. And then we'll take the popsicle stick off, we'll cut it, and then seal it with a little more resin later. So it's dried up quite a bit. I'm going to take this off, cut the stem off, and then cap it. Alright. We've got the resin already mixed. It looks like we got enough room. It does look like it kept some of the color. Oh, I can't wait to give this to her. Anyways, we'll let that dry and we'll show you in a minute, or several hours. Hello, and we're back. Here is the surprise present I made for Craft Mama. Let's get her demolded. Say hi, Craft Mama.
Hello.
we took one of your sunflowers, tried to preserve it forever, and let's see if we got her. You can also pick these up on eBay. Alright. Oh man, that's what happened last time. Yeah, let me see that. Here's a carnation. But we did get the color, and that is kind of pretty.
Very nice.
It's like a sunflower with a million eyes.
That's not creepy at all.
Here, check it out. Here's the old one. Disgusting.
There's something about the flowers that haven't been dried that just creates air bubbles when they get put in resin.
Unfortunate. Those dried flowers never look as pretty as fresh. Thank you all for watching. If you could help us out, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate it. And bye-bye.